How to run YouTube ads to promote your channel step by step so you're posting videos but the views? Nah. Let's fix that by putting your channel right in front of the right people using YouTube ads. Yes, even with a tiny budget. Step 1. Create a Google Ads account. Go to ads.google.com. Sign in with the same Google account as your YouTube channel. Click New Campaign and breathe. It's easier than it looks. Step 2. Choose your goal, select, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Trust me. Then pick video as your campaign type and choose custom video campaign. This gives you full control over who sees your ad. Step 3. Set budget and bidding. Start small. $5 to $10 per day is enough. For bidding strategy, choose CPV, cost per view. You'll usually pay just a few cents per view. Step 4. Choose your audience. Now the fun part, targeting. Use keywords, topics, and placements. For placements, target videos or channels similar to yours. That way, your ad shows up right in front of viewers already interested in your niche. Step 5. Make the ad paste in the YouTube link to your best video or a channel trailer. Headline. Make it spicy. Call to action. Watch now, subscribe, or learn more. Pro tip. Add subtitles to your video. Many people scroll with sound off. Step 6. Track your results. Go to campaigns, then videos. Watch your view rate, average CPV, and conversions, subs or clicks. Turn off what doesn't work. Double down on what does. Don't send cold traffic to a bad video. Make sure the video is optimize your thumbnail and title before promoting. Test different videos and audiences. Use remarketing later to retarget those who watched but didn't subscribe. YouTube ads are like steroids for growth if you use them right. And now you can. Hit like, subscribe, and tell the algorithm, Daddy, you love him. Hey, hey.